Hi, guys. Today's book recommendation is for those of you who love a good ghost story. This book is Anna Dressed in Blood by Kendare Blake. I'm going to go ahead and read the summary of this one to you guys, even though that's not normally what I do, because I love this description and think it does a great job of telling you exactly what's going to happen in this book. Cass Lowood has inherited an unusual vocation. He kills the dead. So did his father before him, until his gruesome murder by a ghost he sought to kill. Now, armed with his father's mysterious and deadly athame, Cass travels the country with his kitchen witch mother and their spirit-sniffing cat. Together, they follow legends and local lore, trying to keep up with the murderous dead, keeping pesky things like the future and friends at bay. When they arrive in a new town in search of a ghost the locals call Anna Dressed in Blood, Cass doesn't expect anything outside of the ordinary. Track, hunt, kill. What he finds instead is a girl entangled in curses and rage, a ghost like he's never faced before. She still wears the dress she wore on the day of her brutal murder in 1958, once white, but now stained red and dripping with blood. Since her death, Anna has killed any and every person who has dared to step into the deserted Victorian she used to call home. And she, for whatever reason, spares his life. This book by Kendare Blake is one of the ghost stories that I very first really enjoyed. It wasn't really my cup of tea before I read these, but I love this one in the sequel, Girl of Nightmares. So I highly recommend that you take a look at Anna Dressed in Blood and tell me what you think about it, because I really like it. I think it's a great ghost story. And one of the things that I thought was really interesting is when Kendare Blake talked to a group of librarians that I was lucky enough to be a part of. She talked about how in this book she came up with some of the most gruesome ways to kill somebody that she could think of. And so I really enjoyed the thought that she put into that, and that it just kind of makes it fun to pick out some of those things instead of maybe being scared by them, to be on the watch for them. So thanks, guys. I hope that you'll reach out to me if you need anything related to books, and I will see you soon.